Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sana nasa mabuting kalagayan po kayo ngayon. God bless po. Ngayong video na ito guys, ituturo ko sa inyo guys ang mga common abbreviations. Kung hindi pa nakakalam guys, ito yung mga common abbreviations guys, mga acronyms guys ng ASAP. ASAP, ASAP, as soon as possible. ETE, estimated time of arrival. DYE, do it yourself. BRB, be right back. LOL, laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. FYI, for your information. TBE, ito guys hindi ko alam. TBD, to be determined. FAQ, ito guys hindi ko alam. VIP, very important person. ID, identification. DOB, date of birth. ATM, automated teller machine. PIN, personal identification. Ito guys, nakalimutan ko guys. SOS, save our souls. PTO, paid time off. RIP, rest in peace. HR, human resources. CEO, chief executive officer. CFO, chief financial officer. PR, public relation. POV, point of view. Point, ito guys, point of view. UFO, unidentified flying object. Yan lang guys. Sana may matutunan kayo sa videos ko. At sana guys, please subscribe na rin sa channel ko para update kayo lagi sa mga videos ko. Salamat guys. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless.